This is a daytime hook. Here the trailer is too heavy. 43,837 pounds. We are going to hook to it. It's the daytime now in California, so you can see things clearly. Now I am starting the pressure without hook at 0 psi. The bags are deflated. So assessing the trailer from the window, you can tell. No, you cannot tell yet. Let me go under it. See how much noise we got? We are going to go close to it, but not all the way under. Now I am under it. Not fully, but partly under it. If I inflate the bags, look at the pressure now. If it goes over 8, means I am under it. At 13, 14, which means I am partially under, not fully. I will back a little more, not much but little. Now I am almost loaded. Well, trailer is high, so I have to, supposed to be more than that. Somebody put the landing gears too high. Let me go all the way back. Still, the trailer is high. Now I hooked to it, supposed to be much more than that. Let me just do the tug test, I will come back. I did the tug test. There is a problem. That is 30. Now you're supposed to have much more than 30. So what is the problem? The driver before me screwed up. What he did, simply did not leave enough room under the landing gear. So the landing gear is too high, so it's going to take me a lot of work. The landing gear is extended too high. To try now, look at, it's going to be hard, so I have to go on a lower gear and to try to take forever. You're supposed to leave 1 inch or 2 inches so we don't run into this problem. Somebody is lazy or inexperienced. Look at that, that is a lower, very slow gear to take long. Look at the click, the first click. You put it in the fast gear, it will take 26 turns. And now we got it to work. We can change the gear. A lot of work because somebody made a mistake. Fine. Let's see how much pressure we got. It's supposed to be over 50. Ho, 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 ho. 68. That's a lot of weight. That is the heaviest ever. That is a lot of weight. So we have a problem.